Okay, so this is an RV unit. This is specifically like a BD10 size. And RV meaning raised bottom. As you can see, there's no lower storage for ice cream. And the other thing it gives you is these all vent from the one side. So this can be pushed up against the wall, boxed in left side, right, completely boxed in, and vents here, intake out. So you can pack that in a busy kitchen, not worry about whether you're against the wall or not. So the sliding lids, you got good access to the ice cream here to scoop the ice cream. Your shelf is pretty stable. You know where you can hang doodads, cups and straws and chocolate toppings and all those kind of neat treats. One of the nice things about these lids, here's the other half, got a bottom drain, clean out drain. The nice thing about these lids is they're like forever. We're all familiar, ice cream business, we're all familiar with the Troy Hill flip lid that fits on our conventional dip cabinets. And if you've been in business for a long time, you know these things cost a pretty penny to replace. With the sliders, I've been doing these for a few years. I don't think I've replaced any of them. They're just all stainless steel, the movement is nice. And as long as you're just one-sided, you don't care to get from behind, this is a great option to an expensive lid. One thing I really like about these raised bottom cabinets, you do not have any lower storage, but then you don't have to bend over and bring them up from the lower storage. So ergonomically, especially for physically, vertically challenged servers that are a little short, a tub of ice cream is pretty heavy. And man, the older I get, the heavier it is. The old man's freezer, huh? So you don't have to reach down the bottom and pick them up. When you empty an ice cream tub, you take the empty out, you do something, you throw it away. If you got a tub underneath it, then you bring that tub up and then run to the walk-in and get another tub. So the fact that you don't have any lower storage is not going to cost you any more steps. You empty the tub, you got to go get a new one. If you got one underneath, you still got to go get a new one. So they're really ergonomically high volume places. If you don't need the storage, these raised bottom freezers are a great alternative.